Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, so today we are going to see the lesson number 7. What is the lesson number 7, children? Sathi Haath Badana. Okay, children, so we are going to see the book exercise, book back exercise. We are going to see today. So, come we'll see the book exercise. First question. पहला जो प्रश्न है, इस गीत की किन पंक्तियों को तुम अपने आसपास की जिंदगी में घटते हुए देख सकते हो? सो हियर दे हैड दिस साथी हाथ बढ़ाना. दिस वन इज द गीत. दिस वन इज नॉट अ कविता. दिस वन इज द सॉन्ग. ओके, सो दिस सॉन्ग हु रोट मा साहिर लुधियानवी. ही रोट द this Sati Haath Badana song. Okay, so he is asking. So in that song, some lines are there. That lines are related to the related to the our real life. Okay, so what are the lines? You find and write. So for this answer, इस गीत की निम्न पंक्तियों को हम आसपास की जिंदगी में घटते देखते हैं. So these are some lines are there in this poem. That lines, those who are there to our neighbors, otherwise our friends. So in their lives it is happening. So what are the suitable lines? See here, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना. हम मेहनत वालों ने जब भी मिलकर कदम बढ़ाया, सागर ने रास्ता छोड़ा, पर्वत ने शीश झुकाया, एक से एक मिले तो कतरा बन जाता है दरिया, एक से एक मिले तो जर्रा बन जाता है सहरा, एक से एक मिले तो राई बन सकती है पर्वत, एक से एक मिले तो इंसान बस में कर ले किस्मत. Okay, so these are the lines we are seeing in our lives. So like, हम मेहनत वालों ने जब भी मिलकर कदम बढ़ाया, when we are doing the hard work, so we all are joining and we are taking one step. सागर ने रास्ता छोड़ा, at that time definitely the sea also it leaves the way to go. पर्वत ने शीश झुकाया, so for that hard work, for that hard work, the mountains also they are also going to do bow in front of us. एक से एक मिले तो कतरा. One by one, if we are adding, means at the time it is going to become like as a drop. The drops are joining, means at the time it is becoming like as a ocean. एक से एक मिले तो जर्रा बन जाता है सहरा. So one particle, zarra means particle. Okay, one particle, if we are joining, means it is going to become like as a one shape or otherwise one face. एक से एक मिले तो राई. So small stones, if they are adding, okay, so at the time definitely it is going to become like as a big mountain. So बन सकती है पर्वत. एक से एक मिले तो इंसान बस में कर ले किस्मत. So all the human beings one by one, if they are together and doing this at that time, बस में कर ले किस्मत. So the fate also it is going to change. Okay, so these are the lines. It is suitable which one we are seeing our lives or otherwise in our friends, relatives. So आसपास के जो लोग हैं उनके जिंदगी में हम लोग ऐसी चीजें देख सकती है. दूसरा जो प्रश्न है, हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड मम्मा? दूसरा जो प्रश्न है, चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं. सागर ने रास्ता छोड़ा, पर्वत ने शीश झुकाया. साहिर ने ऐसा क्यों कहा है, लिखो. सो सागर ने रास्ता छोड़ा. When we are doing the hard work at the time, the ocean is also leaving the way to go, and by seeing that hard work, the mountain is also going to do the bow. Why like that? That line, why Sahir he wrote? What is the reason? कवि ने, सो फॉर द आंसर, कवि ने ऐसा इसलिए कहा है क्योंकि संगठन में ही शक्ति होती है. Why means because if one instant is happening, means at the time only no we have to do something like that. One शक्ति बने, एनर्जी भी गेट। और इस ताकत के सामने बड़े से बड़े तूफान भी हार मान लेते हैं। एट द टाइम बट द फायर विल कम नो, सो ऑन द फायर बड़े से बड़े भी हार मान लेते हैं, विच मीन्स दो big members or otherwise big people also, they are also, yes, they are also going to accept as this one is they are doing the hard work, so they have to achieve, like that they are also getting loose. इसी के बल पर हमने सागर को भी अपने अधीन कर लिया. So on the fact that energy to that courage only, we are also took the take over that portion. पर्वत को भी अपने आगे झुका लिया. So by the hard work, by seeing the hard work also, that mountains also going to do the bow. So for that reason only he wrote that thing, like as a energy in front of the courage. Okay, so hard work for everyone, these and all, by seeing that सागर ने रास्ता छोड़ा और पर्वत ने शीश झुकाया. नेक्स्ट थर्ड प्रश्न, तीसरा जो प्रश्न है, गीत में सीने और बाहों को फौलादी क्यों कहा गया है? सो हियर फौलादी मीन्स which one is we are showing that affection, we are showing that the like as a one caring. Okay, so सीने और बाहों को, सीना means which means when we are hugging, bahe. Okay, so that one we are calling as the bahe. Or sina means when the if we are getting the courage, or otherwise if we are feeling proud, how we are walking, our way of walking is also going to change, how we are putting up our shoulders and walking. Oh, okay, so at the time when we are putting up our shoulders, the chest, it is looking like as a broad, so that one we are calling as sina. Okay children, so गीत में सीने और बाहों को फौलादी क्यों कहा गया है? फॉर दैट आंसर, भगवान ने हमें असीम सहन शक्ति और हाथों में फौलादी ताकत प्रदान की है. सो गॉड हैड ओनली गिवन दैट सहन शक्ति, पेशेंस एंड for patience also we have to get some energy. Okay, so असीम सहन शक्ति और हाथों में फौलादी, that बाहें to get. Okay, no problem, we are hugging the problem, which one we are getting to that, we are hugging and we are फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, ताकत प्रदान की है जिसके बल पर हम बड़ी सी बड़ी कठिनाई का डट कर मुकाबला कर सकते हैं. सो गॉड ओनली गिवन दैट पेशेंस टू गेट एंड दैट एनर्जी टू because of if we are getting any big to big problem also, big troubles also, so डटकर मुकाबला, so we are taking the stand and we are fighting with that. इसीलिए गीत में सीने और बाहों को फौलादी कहा गया है. So for that reason only here they use the word like as a बाहें and सीने for फौलादी. Next, गीत से आगे प्रश्न 1, अपने आसपास तुम किसे साथी मानते हो और क्यों? सो नियर बाय यू, टू whom you are thinking he or she is my friend and why. इसे मिलते जुलते कुछ और शब्द खोज कर लिखो. सो दिस साथी वर्ड इज देयर, नो. सो फॉर दिस साथी वर्ड कुछ और शब्द, सो सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स फाइंड एंड राइट लाइक दैट ही सेड, which means synonyms we have to write. Okay, so हमारे आसपास जितने भी लोग हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं वे सब हमारे साथी हैं. So those who are there our nearby us, so they all are our friends, like as brothers or otherwise friends or otherwise neighbors. Okay, or otherwise our relatives, they all are our they all are close to us, so that's why we can feel they all are our friends. सो जैसे भाई, मित्र, पड़ोसी, अन्य रिश्तेदार आदि. So just now I told no. So they all are. We have to. They all are our friends. They all are our well wishers. Well wishers is nothing but friends. Okay. इनसे मिलते जुलते शब्द है जैसे so here he said no you write मिलते जुलते शब्द which means that word साथी word equal words which means synonyms we have to write like that जैसे सहायक सखा संगी सहचर मित्र मीत adi. So these words and all it is equal to the word of sathi. What are the words are there which means synonyms are there for sathi? Sahayak is there, sakha is there, sangi, sahachar, mitra, meet. Okay, so these all are the synonyms of the sathi. नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन अपना दुख भी एक है साथी अपना सुख भी एक सो व्हाट आर द dukh sadness is there to for us that is one and what are the happiness is there that is also for us one so like that कक्षा मोहल्ले और गांव और शहर के किस किस तरह के साथियों के बीच तुम्हें इस वाक्य की सच्चाई महसूस होती है so when you are in class or otherwise when you are in your street or otherwise when you are in village or otherwise when you are in city to the time to whom to which friends if you are seeing means this word or otherwise this sentence you want to feel or kaise and then why he is asking give the reason also so for this उत्तर सभी की आम समस्याएं हमारी भी समस्याएं होती है so what are the general problems they all are having so we are also having same problems like as the current problem bijli or otherwise water problem or otherwise bhrashtachar so these and all are we are facing these problems so at the time we want to say this thing okay वही हमारी खुशी में भी सबकी साझेदारी होती है so same thing when we are feeling very happy at the time they are also feel very happy like suppose if we want to conduct one party in our home at the time our relatives our neighbors okay our friends they all are joining and they all are taking part किसी खुशी का मिलना आदि so like the now I told no so खुशी का मिलना which means suppose if we want to put one gathering party okay so at that time also we all are joining and we all are enjoying so at that time our friends or otherwise our relatives or otherwise our neighbors they all are taking part at the time definitely they are also feeling very happy we are also feeling very happy उसमें भी सभी की साझेदारी होती है at the time also everybody are taking the part so at the time we are feel happy they are also feel happy okay so up to this much today we had learned and in the next session remaining question and answers we'll see okay children धन्यवाद बच्चों हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन